Kwento lang, when we started the Manila Improv Festival in 2012, the dream really was to put Manila in the global improv map. And I think we've accomplished that. By 2019, every improv group in the world wants to be featured in Manila. Our problem then shifted to now creating an audience space. Kasi ang daming gusto pumunta sa Pilipinas para perform, wala naman nanonood sa kanila. So, palugi kami lagi. so since then, was really to create an audience for improv in Manila. And I hope, and actually, that's why the last festival, dati kasi sa Peta Theater kami, lumipat kami in 2023 to where the audience is, so saan pa ba? Sa mall. So ginawa namin siya sa sa kabilang mall. Kasi sarado pa itong dream ko na sana sa Proscenio, kaya lang hindi pa siya natapos after pandemic. So doon muna kayo sa kabilang mall, sa bandang JP's. Ayun, so natapos na yung Proscenio, sabi ko kay Ernst, chikahin mo na sa Proscenio kasi sayang naman. So, yun naman. Anyway, so I hope that in the, at saka isa akong kwento. So, when we launched the 2023 festival, one of the guests dun sa media launch posted the Oracle segment. And that was one of the most viewed clip of the Oracle na sumabog sa TikTok, which paved the way to the boom of spit on social media. Kasi ang dami nanonood sa TikTok, kasi galing siya sa ibang account. So sabi namin, lagyan na natin ang laman ng TikTok natin para mapunta sa atin. And because of that, we decided to record our shows and then post them. And that's when this whole thing happened. And so our hope now is for the people who support Spit and watch us on social media and on live shows to come and watch improv by other groups. And also, dati pa naman sinasabi ko na come in and speak your own language because improv is so much more than just comedy. That's why we have improv music, improv dance. But essentially, in fact, my favorite groups from the previous festivals are those who came here and spoke their own language. We watched the best performance from Japan who spoke no English at all. The group from China who spoke nothing, no English, puro Chinese, pero nagkaintindihan kami lahat. Because essentially, while humor is different from culture to culture, emotions are universal. And as long as you're true to your emotion, true to yourself, kung sabi mo, say, iyak ko, ayun gagawin mo sa speech ko, hindi mo alam. So sabi ko, iyak na ako para dramatic. Para may impact. Ayun, so as long as you're true to your culture, to yourself, we will connect. And I hope that this festival will create connections bigger than just the improv community and our audiences and the community here in Rockwell and the world. Salamat, and please invite your friends and tell the world about the festival. We need people to come and watch because everybody wants to come and perform, but nobody watches them. So, kailangan mo rin ng ticket. Salamat po.